Hi folks, I want to show you a set of GYTR Nerf bars that's been installed on a 2018 Raptor. I can get this a little bit better looking. I'm in the garage. It's too darn cold out to open it. But these are really nice. The factory, they fit on good. They do not come with webbing, or at least mine not, so before you buy it, make sure you check and order them separate here. Otherwise you'll be taking another step, having to order another piece. But they're pretty easy. They bolt right here just to the front of your foot pegs. There's nothing to remove there. You just simply bolt them right up. Comes with everything. The next thing here, if you can see it, is they bolt right up to the front frame bolt here. So when I get this flashlight here, you see it goes right here to the front frame bolt. There's one on the other side. Simply take the bolt out. They give you a bolt. You stick it on there. Bolts up nice and easy. It runs across here. Let me see if I can get down here and see. Ah, boy, that's a really good shot. You can see here, right there, it goes across. It's got that little plate there that holds the other side on. Again, you just loosen that up, slide the two ends on, clamp it down, and that's it. Really nice, fit good. If I've got a complaint on the darn thing, is if you look here, that's the edge of your foot peg. This bar sticks out about another inch or so. So if I come over here really quick, hopefully you can, it's not going to be too dark. But this side right here I'm going to have to do some work on. You can see here where the shifter is, there's not a whole lot of room here between that shifter and that peg, so my boot's having a hard time. Now I'm not sure if that's really an issue or not. I think the shifter's too low. It's got to be adjusted up and I'll probably be just fine. But yeah, here's what they look like on this side. Really nice. They fit with your, let me get on the other side here so you can see. Sorry about this. They fit with the factory backing plates, so you don't need to take those off. You know, they got a nice little logo right there. Really good quality. You can see they're real dirty. I was out in just some nasty mud. Took me forever to get it cleaned off, but that's a GYTR Nerf bars. Definitely good, heavy duty, fit right on. Definitely recommend them.